Ukraine keeps on innovating with their drone army, increasing the capability and quantities of drones they produce, with a newer version called Backfire K1 entering serial production, which has many advantages. Being a fixed-wing drone, it can stay in the air longer, have a longer range and carries a higher payload. Its low radar cross-section is due to material choice and a small body with inbuilt payload, which is dropped using a ballistic computer, increasing accuracy and making it more automatic, letting Ukraine's surveillance drone to spot a Russian target, sending back coordinates for a strike, as seen with this Pantsir-S1 in hiding getting hit, giving Ukraine more of a precision strike capability with a cheap price tag. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.